Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ratings and choosing strong frame points. This prevents mismatches later. Once you've cleaned and inspected the rails, align the sway bar brackets near the axle where leverage is predictable. You'll thread bolts through both bracket and frame, then snug by hand. Make sure to torque each bolt to the manufacturer specification so the assembly won't shift. If holes don't align, don't force hardware. Realign brackets and recheck dimensions before tightening to final torque. Next, you mount the bar itself and attach the link arms. This is where alignment matters most. Once the bar is in place, hook each end link to its frame bracket, but keep bolts finger-tight so you can tweak geometry. Adjust link length until the arms sit nearly parallel to the ground at the trailer's loaded ride height. This minimizes binding and provides predictable transfer of forces. After confirming symmetry left to right, torque the link and bar fasteners to the specified values so nothing shifts under load. Finally, you fine-tune and validate the system under real conditions. You must test with a typical load. Once loaded, cycle the suspension and watch for binding or excessive free play, then perform a short drive with measured lane changes to feel how the trailer responds. If you detect clunks, stop and red-tighten fasteners. If sway persists, add a small preload to the links or recheck hitch head friction. One troubleshooting tip: if noise or binding appears, loosen, realign, and retorque rather than driving further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.